Hey guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy. I am down at my daughter's house. We've been doing a lot of remodeling, so we just thought we would give y'all a little shot of what the baby's room looked like. A lot of people's been asking. Here are all the baby clothes. We have them arranged, of course, by his ages, and these are actually all his newborn clothes. He's got tons of them. The other clothes we have packed away until we're going to need them. Here is, we have painted the walls. We're going to show y'all the carpet, so hang on just one second. Alright guys, here's his freshly painted wall. We got this done over the weekend. Very beautiful wall color. Please excuse the ladder. We're still got to, we're going to go over it one more time to make sure it's, you know,
we got to paint the roof.
Dark enough, and we've got to paint the roof. It does look a little rough, so y'all ignore the roof, but we will get to that. Give me just a second and we're going to show you guys the rest of the stuff in the room. Hang on just one second.
And his car seat's underneath.
Okay guys, y'all please excuse the mess. Like I said, we've just now started remodeling in here and we've just now started getting stuff done. These clothes right here that are packed are what sizes?
18 months.
These are 18 months. This right here is a bassinet that me and Random Nation bought. And we bought her this little cute thing. As you guys know, my father, Ashley's pawpaw, passed away. So we got a hand-picked for Earth by my grandpa in heaven. So we thought that was really pretty. We've got his pack and play completely full. So you guys ignore this. But we've got plenty of blankets. My mother actually handmade this quilt for him. We've got a few more quilts over here that were handmade by Ashley's grandmother, my mother.
There's that one.
We've got that one. It's really soft to touch. I wish you guys could feel how soft that is. I love it.
And then there's that one.
And then we've got that one that is made out of the same type of material. It's the soft stuff.
Well, we've got two of these.
We just basically right now got a bunch of stuff strode. So you guys please ignore the mess.
Those are 3 to 6 months.
We've got a bag full of 3 to 6 months. And over here,
6 months and up.
we have 6 months and up.
Look at this.
And we have 2 boxes full. And she wants to show y'all a little outfit. Look at how cute that is. And it's got the little breeches to match. How sweet. Guys, we did have to pull the carpet back to paint the room because we didn't want... We totally did this room backwards. We know you're supposed to do walls, floor, first, ceiling, all that good stuff. We just...
put the stuff in here, and then we put the carpet, and then we did the wall.
We just remodeled as we were able to purchase the stuff. So, but here's the carpet. When the wall dries and stuff, we will lay the carpet back. But we just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the carpet is. I bought this for her. I believe it was at Floors to Go.
Yeah.
Really beautiful flooring. It's got the padding so he can't hurt himself when he starts crawling and stuff. But that's pretty much what we have going right now. We have it blocked off where the dogs can't get in here and destroy our paint. So I'm going to pause right here and give us just a second. We're going to go in there and we're going to show you guys Roxy. Y'all remember her sister Ori. So hang on just a second because she's 3 months old today. We're going to show y'all how Roxy's doing. Alright guys, here is little Miss Roxy. She's 3 months old today.
Oh, really? Really? I can't hear you.
She likes to talk a lot.
Just like her dad.
But I hope you guys enjoyed the update video. And as soon as we finish up in the baby's room, we will of course do another video to show you guys what it looks like when it's completely finished. Bear with us, we got a few more months to get it done, but we're just taking our time to make it look pretty. So hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Bama Girl Amy is out. And so is Roxy.